How to create fire logo. Let's get started. Create a new composition. Make it full HD, frame rate 30, and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to text. Type your text. Press S to increase your text. Go to a line to put your text into the metal. If you don't see a line, you can go to Window and check a line. Go to File and choose your texture. I'll leave it into the description. Drag and drop your texture. Press S to decrease it. Press on toggle switches in Model. Set None to Alpha Matte. Go to Effects and Presets and type Deep Glow. Change radius to 300. Create a new solid. I'll name it Background. Go to Generate. Gradient Ramp. Choose your colors. Create a new solid, and I'll name it Vegas. Go to Effects and Presets and type Vegas. Double-click. Open Color Contours. Input Layer. Set None to Fire. Set Normal to Screen. Change color. Increase hardness. Change segments to 10. Check rotation. Go to last frame. Increase rotations. Go to Effects and Presets and type Deep Glow. Drag and drop. Take Fire Texture, Text, and Vegas. Pre-compose them. Set Normal to Screen. Create a new camera. Right-click, Camera, create an orbit null. Open null, transformation. Go few seconds frames. Keyframe on scale, then go to first frame. Decrease scale. And this is our tutorial, okay? This is our tutorial. If you like it, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.